Okay guys, now we'll see normal types of uh, data types in TypeScript basically. So firstly we'll see boolean, string and number, so that's our common. After that we'll move to object and arrays, but in this part we specifically look for numbers, strings and booleans. So I'll make a ts file which is called like script.ts, because script.ts after compiling will produce script.js only, and here I am using script.js file as I was using before. And you can use this extension which is called tslint. You can use this extension if you want. I mean, it's pretty much good. tslint, it's called by Microsoft, I think it is. So let's just start. So suppose you are making a function. Let me just, so function, and I'll say function is add, and you give num1 comma num2, and here you add return num1 plus num2. Yeah, normal. So if you come here, it's saying you are taking any parameter, you are not defining. Okay, now if you come here, I'll give the number. I'll say constant number equals to 1 comma constant num2 and num2 equals to 2. Yeah, now I'll say constant result equals to add function, and I'll say num1 comma num2, and I'll just console.log result. Yeah, so it's normal. I'm just declaring the variables and using it. So if I save it, everything's fine, but you can see here it's telling me you haven't declared what type of parameter will come in. So I can say here it will come as a number, it will come as a string, it will come as a boolean. Boolean, you know, true false. So here I'll say it will come as a number. Okay, by number it will take floats, integer, whatever values there are, it will take all. In num2 also I'll just say it will come as a number. Yeah, normal, nothing much, everything's looking fine to me. If I try to compile it, tsc, and compilation, then no error. But suppose here I just make it a string, you can see now it's showing me error here in num1, that there is an error. If I go here, argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number, saying you are sending a string but here you are accepting a number, so you just can't do it. And you'll be like, okay, these are just small steps, I know, but there can be like, you while writing code, you know, there are a lot of mistakes we do, and other developers also work, so it can be an issue. So that's why it figures out small mistake. So it's all about types, declaration types, array, it's string, it's numbers. That's why it's called TypeScript. So now if I try to again compile it, it will show us error. Sorry, it compiled, but it is an error. Sorry, I haven't saved it. Now if I compile, see error, because that time I haven't saved it, showing you on the line 8th constant add num1 num2, and this error automatically showing is a part of VS Code, not VS Code extension and VS Code inbuilt. It's not a part of your TypeScript that is showing while writing the code, it's a part of VS Code. So you can see this thing, you can just while writing you can know, okay, where I'm getting an error. Instead of just after compiling you go on to the browser and check, you can just check while writing. Okay, so I'll just change it to back to number. Now if I compile, I have to save it, and everything's fine and there is not any error. So suppose I want to send a string, I'll say constant statement, I'll say statement equals to the result is Now here I'll say stat statement. I'll send a statement, and you can see here I'm getting error, expected 2 arguments but got 3. You are sending 3 argument and the statement you are sending. If I go here, I'll say okay, I'll receive the statement, no problem. Sorry, not this statement. Yeah. So now if I go here, it says statement is declared but value is never read. So what type of value you want? So I'll say it will come as a string. Okay. Now if I go, everything's look fine. Now if I just run it, save it and run it, see it's compiled and there is not any error. Now if we say constant, I'll say multiply, I'll give it here true. Now I can just parse it like okay, I want to multiply that, and it will take the multiply also. I'll take as multiply and I'll say it will come as a boolean. And if I try to change it to string, error, you are sending a string but that's a boolean. So I'll say go as a boolean. Now here I can say return, I can say constant result equals to num2 plus num1, and here I can say statement plus result, save it. Now compile this part, it got compiled. Now open the document and this is dev2, so I'll just reload this thing. See, the result is 3 because we are getting 3, and in between I'll add a space, save it, compile it. That's the worst part, we have to every time compile it. Check, the result is 3. You can see now we are explicitly telling okay, these are the our values. Now if you check, we have sent multiply also, so we'll just say if multiply, and you don't have to check equal to true because this is a default behavior of your JavaScript. If multiply, just return or not return, just say result equals to result into 2. Yeah. So why it's not writing 2 here? You can see it's showing error, can't assign result because it's a constant. So I'll just make it let. So all variables are supposed let, const, var, whatever you use. There is not any compulsion. If I save it, compile it, and happening, and most probably we'll get a 6. See, we are getting a 6. There is not any problem. Now we can define here the type of variables also we're gonna use. So I'll just say this variable will be of type number. See, so and this also will be number, but suppose I say number, okay, everything's fine, but I send it as a string. So it's now showing me string. Okay, your type is string but you have saved the value as number. I'll say okay, I'll check, okay, this is a number, so I'll just change back to number. And you can see this is a string, and here if I say number statement, you are wrong. Now if I change back to string, you can see everything's look fine. For the multiply also, we'll just say as boolean. But if it's a string, say it's a multiply, it's a string, okay, I say just make it a string somehow. But now here it will show error, but you are here accepting string, so you have also you have to say string. You can see you have to change so many places just to make one code work because it's had so much validations. Suppose you have a number, let you say I mean, say you just say let any, you say let data, yeah. So you'll assign values at a later point of time. Now if you check here, it's showing any. Now you can assign data to string also, string, see, no error. You can assign number also, 1 2 3, no error. You can assign boolean also, no error. Why? Because data you have told to any, so you can just tell here I will just only accept string, not any other data. I can see it's showing error. Your boolean, you have told boolean, but you are using, you have told string, but you are using boolean. If I say 1 2 3, again the error. But if I, as soon as I say string, the error are gone. If I save it, everything's fine. Now if I just run it, see, there are currently not any error. So how this happening? We are just telling the types, and this TypeScript is all about types. You just say array type, object types, and that's all of it. Now if you say every time we done this, JS files for getting like again and again changed. If we go to JS files, and you can see we got the data and everything got number here, number, everything gone what we have declared, because that's just a part of TypeScript. Yeah guys. Now if I delete this file, sorry guys, let me just delete this, no problem. Now how many times we just compile, it will always produce a JavaScript file for us. It will just override the existing files. Yeah. So this was all about like normal data types like string, number and booleans in TypeScript.